Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you're watching EXAMTIPS. In this video, we will discuss how to find the mean of any dataset. So, first of all, we want to know that how to find. So, this is the formula for mean. So, this is the mean equal to sum of all data set divided by number of observations, right? So this is the mean formula. So sum of all the data set means that we have given this data, right? So 2 4 2 4 6 8 102 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10. So we have to add all these values and divide it by the number of observations. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have to divide it by 9. Now we have to add all these values. This is the 10218, 110. Now 120 and 130, 140 and 150. So total will be 150 upon 9. So mean will be 150 upon 9 means when we divide it by these values, so we will get a final answer of this mean. So thank you so much. If you have another questions, queries, you can contact us and you can, you can ask us about any questions. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.